Okay, so the next task is, in the last task I had it revise the macro to create a macros list worksheet if it didn't exist. Now you can see it still just drops in this list. I want to change this to add a table, turn this list into a table called TBL underscores macros used list, and put column headings in there. So let's give it a go. I'm back in ChatGPT. I've already copied the prompt. The prompt is revise the VBA code to do the following. Once that macro is created, please convert it to an Excel table and name it TBL macros use list. Now, I shouldn't need to paste the code back in because it's right here. So let's see what happens. Looks good. Notice that it's commenting when it creates the code, which is helpful. Okay, there we go. It's converting it to a table. And finally, it's wrapping up with the message box. And it does appear to have changed a little bit of the macro, so let's see if this works. I'm going to come in here, copy code, and I'm just replacing it. It appears that this dropped off, but let's see what happens. And I'm going to tell it to run the list. There you go. So it went ahead. It did not give me a header row. So I'm going to modify that in the next step to say, when it creates the table, give me a header row. And I'm going to kill that list. So since I didn't tell it to give it a header row, it didn't know what to do, and it didn't do that. But let's fix it in the next step.